Enriched with nutrients, your lips will be replenished, plumped and more supple, whilst treating your lips with a splash of colour. I'm going to show you how to make a really lovely lip treatment. It actually comes from a lip balm, just simple Vaseline. So at the moment I've got in a heated bowl with water, just 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Just want to break it down a little bit so it's a little bit more manageable so I can add things in. And we're going to add in a teaspoon of coconut oil. Now coconut oil has lots of healing properties. It's very anti-inflammatory, soothing. It's also got a little bit of natural SPF in there too, so that's great for your lips during the day. I'm going to heat those 2 ingredients together over the water. And then we want to add in a little bit of micronutrients. So I've got here a little capsule. These are edible capsules. This one's omega-3, but you could get a vitamin E capsule or anything you've got at home you want to add into your lip balm. Just going to pop that in. And there we are. You can just put in a lipstick shade that you like or an old lipstick that you're not going to use again. So I'm just going to put in, yeah. Let that all heat up together. So you've got the Vaseline in here that's going to help seal the chapped lips. So if you've got chapped lips or wind burns or anything like that, it's going to help protect it. And then you've added in your coconut oil, which is again soothing, anti-inflammatory, has natural sun protection. Your micronutrients from any capsules that you could find at home. You can see it's basically like a liquid now, yeah. You can just find a little pot to pop it all in. So that's all there. So I've got a little pot here. Again, this was a pot that used to be a lip balm, and when it finished, I just washed it out. You can just spoon in your product. It will take a couple of hours to probably set once everything cools down. And there's how to make the super easy protective and plumping lip balm. Why don't you give it a go? Simple and effective.